I tend to be the optimist, as I talked about other technologies in the past being loathed for the fact that they cause disruption. There is no question AI is disruptive. Let me give you, I like examples that people can understand. I used to be a commercial photographer and a sound man and a cameraman in the late 80s for the networks on sports television. So I've tried to keep my chops up. And by using digital tools and AI. I'm using a lot of AI tools now. And this is a very simple example. I took a picture leaving F1 a few weeks ago out of a van that was moving very quickly of a bunch of Harley motorcycles with a black and white Leica that I've been using with a 21 spherical lens. It's a bunch of tech I'm talking about, but remember, when you're in an SUV, you're up high, you're almost 6 feet above the ground, if not higher. And I took the shot and I liked it, but for that picture, I should have been on my knees at the ground level, like called a worm's eye view, to give a grandeur desire from those Harleys glistening in the sun. I didn't like the image, didn't have it. It was missing the je ne sais quoi. Now, I wanted to lower the point of view down to 1 foot over the ground. If I had tried to do that 2 years ago, using all the tools available at that time, it would have taken me months to create pixel by pixel. I used AI to solve that problem in 18 seconds. And yet my point is, think about the productivity for just that one tool. It's a real example of how these tools are available. No one lost their job. It created something amazing in terms of productivity.